Hey everyone! Today, we're going to build a portfolio using ChatGPT. But wait, this won't be one of those simple one-time generated portfolios. The final result will look something like this, and yes, it's completely made with AI. So welcome to my very first video, and let's get started. So first, we'll generate the layout design of this website, and then based on the blocks, we'll generate its code. You'll find the prompt for generating the layout in the description. Now we'll generate a boilerplate, a clean starting point where I'll later add my original content. That content will be built with HTML, CSS, and JS. Of course, you could also create this basic structure yourself anytime, but here we'll have it generated for convenience. Next, we'll create a folder, set up VS Code, and create the files. Then we'll copy the HTML boilerplate we generated and paste it into the file we just created in VS Code. Now, we're going to create the hero section. I'll show you the prompt, but I won't actually use this result since it has a few issues. The goal here is just to demonstrate how the code is generated and where it gets placed. To keep the video short, I won't show every tweak I make, but if you want the exact code, I'll provide the source for you to check. Next, I entered my prompt for the hero section. I specified what elements I wanted, their alignment, and the theme. For example, horizontal alignment and a dark theme. Then I picked a block from the layout section for the hero layout, added it to the prompt, and ran the query. Then I pasted the generated code into my VS Code file. After a few tweaks, I replaced the old boilerplate with the final version. I also downloaded some images, added them to the folder, and updated the file with their names. Here's how the hero section looks after completion. For layout and backend, basic ChatGPT models work fine, but for styling, I use the thinking model. It makes the process much smoother. In the same way, I generated all the other sections. If anything isn't clear, let me know in the comments and I'll make a full video on it. The process is the same. First, generate the layout, copy the blocks, tell ChatGPT what you need in that section, and add it in. Even just the layout works, but I recommend writing clear prompts for the best results. Always generate the final code with the thinking model. It's responsive for mobile and handles most of the bugs, which you can then clean up with the normal model. Following this process, your complete portfolio website will be ready, and here's how the final version looks. As you can see, I didn't cover every detail since Instagram only allows 3 minutes. If you'd like, I can start a series or make a full-length video. I also build websites for clients, so feel free to DM me if you want one. Let me know in the comments how you like the video and which website I should make next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.